let us discuss this example, okay, of a discrete matrix space. See, what we have to do in this example, we have to find these four open balls, okay, which are mentioned here. But before that, we will discuss what is the definition of discrete matrix, and then we will start to find what are the actual those balls, okay. So see, here I will mention clearly, we have xd is a discrete matrix space. xd is a discrete matrix space. Do you know the definition of discrete matrix? Discrete matrix is defined in this way. D of xy is equal to 0 if x is equal to y, and it is equal to 1 if x is not equal to y. So that means in discrete matrix, there are only two distances, either 0 or 1. If given points are same, you will have the distance between them is 0, and if given points are distinct, the distance between them is 1. So only two possibilities are there, either 0 and 1. Okay, so let us start to find the first open ball. So what we have, bx comma 1 by 2. Okay, so see, what will I do? I will simply apply the definition. Okay, so definition says, you remember bxr is equal to, it contains all points of x such that distance of those points from x is less than r. R means here 1 by 2. Okay, so that means it will contain all points whose distance from x is less than 1 by 2. But as I told you earlier, in discrete matrix there are only two possibilities, either distance 0 or distance 1. So here distance is less than 1 by 2, that means only possibility is 0 distance, since 1 is greater than 1 by 2, right? So that's why only possibility is distance is 0. So I will mention here, so it contains all points such that distance between x and y is 0, since it is less than 1 by 2. So that's the only possibility is 0. See, distance between x and y is 0. So by definition, tell me what can I write? Distance between x and y is 0. So definition says distance between x and y is 0. That means x is equal to y, right? So that means here we contains all points which are equal to x, that is nothing but x only. Okay, since here we get equality, so we contain all points which are equal to x, so only x is equal to x. So that means we have open ball is nothing but a single point we have got, which is x. Okay, so let us go for second sub question. What is the second question? Second sub question, b x comma 3 by 4. We don't have a space here, so I will write below. So it contains all points of x whose distance from x is less than 3 by 4. So here value of r is 3 by 4. So again I apply the definition here. Okay, same definition. Here we have a 1 by 2, but here we have a 3 by 4. So that's why I wrote there. So it contains all points whose distance from x is less than 3 by 4. 3 by 4, that means 0.75. Correct, 0.75. If you want, I will mention here. So y belongs to x such that d of xy is less than 0.75. Distance from x is less than 0.75, but as I told you earlier, there in discrete matrix there are only two possibilities, either distance 0 or distance 1. So distance is less than 0.75, that means distance is 0 obviously, since 1 is greater than 0.75. So that's why I can write here, so y belongs to x such that d of xy is equal to 0. So our definition says, I'm writing, copying the same thing. Our definition says distance between x and y is 0. Then that means x and y are same. So it contains all points. Okay, it contains all points of x which are equal to x. That is nothing but singleton x. So that means in both cases, in both examples, we have got open balls are nothing but singleton set x. Okay, so make a screenshot of it, and after that we will go for remaining two sub questions of this problem. So let us discuss third sub question. Okay, so I have kept this definition here so we can use it. So third sub question is bx1. So by definition, tell me what can I write? So definition says this is nothing but it contains all points of x such that distance from x is less than 1. Okay, so as I told you earlier, in a discrete matrix there are only two possibilities, either distance 0 or 1. So here we have a distance less than 1, not equal to 1. It is less than 1, so that means 100% it is 0 only. So this is equal to, it contains all points of x such that distance from x and y is 0, since they have strictly mentioned it is less than 1. So by definition, tell me what can I write? So it contains all points of x. By definition, d of xy is 0, that means x is equal to y. So x is equal to y, that means we will have singleton x. Since this is a collection of all points which are equal to x, that means we have a singleton x. Okay, yeah. So this problem is over here. So let us go for the last sub question. What is the last sub question? Yeah, bxr. Okay, I will write here. See, r is greater than 1. They have mentioned r is greater than 1. That means r can be 2, r can be 3, can be 4, whatever. But it is 100% greater than 1. So let us apply the definition. What can I write here? Y belongs to x such that distance between x and y is less than, sorry, not 1, less than r. Since they have mentioned r. So I will simply copy it. So see, distance between x and y is less than r. So in the discrete metric, how many possibilities are there? Only two possibilities, either distance 0 or distance 1. So r is greater than 1. So suppose consider r is 5. R is 5, that means distance can be 0, can be 1, since both of them are less than 5. So that's why here I can write distance between x and y is 0, that is also possible, or distance between x and y 1, it is possible, right? 1 also, it is also possible. So both cases are possible here. So distance 0, that means we have a singleton x, and distance 1, that means every point, since every point is at a distance 1 from x, so that means it contains all points, all possibilities are covered here, 0 and 1. So we will have a entire matrix space x. Okay, so in this way we finish this problem. Make a screenshot of it.